We have 5 profitable work-from-home business ideas for 2025 that we can start right now. Each of these ideas requires little to no upfront cost and can be managed from anywhere in the world. There's no reason we can't begin one of these ventures today. By the end of this video, we will break down each idea, highlighting the pros and cons, so we can choose the best fit for our goals. First, let's talk about selling digital products. This model is fantastic because it takes only a few hours to create a product, and we can sell it an unlimited number of times for years. When we create a digital product, we are building an asset that generates passive income for years to come. With effective marketing strategies, these products can scale to 6 figures in under a year. The variety is endless: ebooks, courses, printables, templates, and more. Digital products are beginner-friendly, requiring minimal investment and offering high profit margins. Once a product is sold, our website automatically delivers it, simplifying the process. The key here is to build a strong brand and offer real value to our customers. Next, we have YouTube automation. This business model has gained significant traction, and many faceless YouTube channels earn thousands monthly. Channels focusing on topics like motivation, cooking, and technology generate millions of views using simple stock footage and voiceovers. For instance, channels like Tech Zone and Be Inspired earn substantial income without showing their creators' faces. The beauty of YouTube is that it's free to start, and once monetized, it generates passive income. With the right strategy, we can create content that resonates and builds an audience. Our third idea is affiliate marketing. This allows us to earn money by recommending products or generating sales for others. It's ideal for those who want to avoid the hassle of running a full online store. Affiliate marketing can be started with no investment, is manageable from anywhere, and is beginner-friendly. We can gain valuable sales experience without long-term commitments. Fourth, let's explore print on demand. This model allows us to sell products like clothing or accessories without holding inventory. We can choose a niche, decide what to sell, and focus on marketing. Successful stores on platforms like Etsy utilize this model effectively. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier creates and ships the product directly to them. This is perfect for artists who want to showcase their designs, and the difficulty level is moderate. Lastly, we have content creation. We don't need to be influencers to make money as content creators. Many individuals earn by sharing their passions, even without showing their faces. Starting with short-form videos can be an excellent way to engage an audience. We can create accounts on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, posting our content across all channels. The key to success is to niche down and focus on a specific topic. As we build our audience, we'll discover new ways to monetize our content. No matter which business model we choose, the most important step is to get started. Success doesn't happen overnight, and each journey is unique. While these ideas are easy to initiate, mastering them requires hard work and dedication. We should educate ourselves and implement strategies that fit our lifestyles. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.